What's up guys, welcome back. Now we have this beautiful Model X Tesla, which is something that we don't always get. It's something kind of fun to work on. But before we get it back to its owner, we realized that the paint is kind of rough. So after inspecting it after the wash, we're going to clay it because we want to put a new protectant coating on there. Now you can put any kind of sealant, you can put an actual coating on there, but we're going to go with wax. Now this is an interesting darker gray, and to really enhance that, we're going to add black wax. Now it's a pure carnauba that's going to give it a durable shine, as well as this really slick feeling that's going to repel any kind of stains, UV rays, or any kind of water spots. But to start off, we're going to use our clay luber with a clay block. We'll spray down the surface, and what this is doing is it's going to help, one, clean off anything that's on the surface that might have been left behind after the wash, and it's also lubricating the clay block. You just go back and forth, and the clay block is a synthetic clay which is made of a rubberized material, and this is pulling off anything that's in the pores of the paint, getting back down to a natural slick feeling. So I'm going to finish off claying, and then we're going to move on to the waxing process to really bring out the shine on this Tesla. Now that I'm done clay barring the surface, it's nice and slick and all the grime and debris that was stuck in the pores of the paint has been removed. This is going to make it easier for new coatings to stick, making it last longer, giving it a deeper shine. And as mentioned, I'm going to be using black wax. And what this is a pure carnauba wax to give it a deep reflective gloss, but it's also adding a durable layer of protection against water spots, UV rays, or anything that can actually damage or etch the paintwork. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by opening the pot, and then I've got a microfiber applicator, what I'm going to use to melt a little bit onto, and then we're going to spread it on the vehicle. So we'll dab a little bit out, and now we'll wash it out on the hood here, and then we'll work it back and forth until we've got an even coat over the entire surface. And it doesn't take a whole lot, this spreads out pretty thin, and the thinner the coat, the finer the bond, and the less product you're using. So it'll be less product waste, a little less effort, and you'll still get great results. So I'm going to finish off this vehicle. It only takes about 15 minutes to bond to the surface, so after that I'm going to wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. In the meantime, you guys can head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, and pick up these products for yourself. If you like this car, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.